Back at it again. That's right. Like, give me a break. Really? Absolutely. Oh, dog, look. Look here. You need to stop. The fuck? I mean, really. We all tell him to be quiet and he still barks. I mean, what the hell? Apparently we have to, apparently we need to say it in, like, all 1,000 different languages, apparently. I guess that's the way I would start doing it. So let's see. Got told, yeah, not about that, but yeah. Apparently we need to start saying it in all different languages. Let's start with the language that I know best, and that is Spanish. Let me say it in American first. And now, time for Spanish. Enough! Swear to God, if that dog barks one more time, I'm gonna lose it. I mean, he's got me pissed with this now. I mean, seriously. Absolutely. Stay calm. It's pretty funny.